Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to link Ubisoft account to Twitch. So first things first, what we're going to do is to go to Twitch and then log into your account. Now go to your profile at the top right corner and then go to settings and then go to connections. And then scroll all the way down and you will see the Ubisoft options right here. Click connect. And then click get started and then log in with Twitch. Now let's just wait for it to load. Authorize. And then accept, and here you can now put your email and then your password of Ubisoft and then continue to connect it to your Twitch. And then that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.